Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the rhythms of the body and what is the easiest morning habit that will help us to maintain the natural rhythms of the body. So before we start this video, let's understand when I am saying what is rhythm of the body, what is this rhythm? Many of us must be thinking, oh, is it some kind of song playing in the body? Or what is this rhythm I am talking about? In Ayurveda, a lot of importance has been given to the rhythm of the body. The word rhythm means vibration. As you know, like our heart, it beats with certain frequency, with certain rhythm. If this rhythm is normal, that means if this rhythm is in tune with nature, we call it healthy heart. And if for some reasons, if this rhythm get disturbed a little bit, it will lead to tachycardia or bradycardia. Bradycardia is the condition of heart in which our rhythm becomes very slow. That means heartbeat becomes slow. And tachycardia is the condition in which our heartbeat becomes fast, like in anger, in anxiety, in aggression or in fear, and we can feel it like this heart is beating like this. And sometimes even people with tachycardia, if you place your hand on the heart, it feels like sinking, especially in very tense conditions, like what's going to happen. That condition is called tachycardia. That means our heart is out of rhythm. That means it is not in tune with nature. Similarly, same condition is with our all vital organs, with our liver, with our kidneys, with our intestines, with our lungs, especially with lungs. If you see, like lungs are breathing in a certain rhythm, you know, there is certain rate of lungs, if you pay attention, like 16 to 20 breaths per minute. Some people have 14 breaths per minute, some people have 13 breaths per minute. And when our breaths become shorter, then our rhythm get increased, like quick inhalation or we are gasping for breath. That is an unhealthy state. Whenever your lungs have certain kind of disease, either it can be COPD or some allergic condition or mucus or any inflammation, it will impact the rhythm of your lungs. That means it will start taking small breaths. So these rhythms becomes extremely important part of our life. Similar is the case with our intestine. If the rhythm of the intestine, that is called peristalsis, as you eat food, the movement of the food is like this, peristaltic movement happens. That means food goes like this in our stomach and pass through intestines and finally get out through anus. For some reason, if this rhythmic movement of our intestine, if it will get disturbed, then the proper movement of the stool will not happen and all the fecus will get deposited in your intestine. Either you will feel constipation, the stool will not properly come out, or there will be very hard stools. So many kind of these things happen when your intestines are not in rhythm. So that is the importance of rhythm in Ayurveda, and it is very important that we pay attention to our rhythms and we try to make these rhythms in tune with natural cycles. That means the cycle of the sun, the cycle of the moon, and in tune with the atmosphere in which we are living in. So what is the quickest and most easiest thing that we can do to keep our body in rhythm with nature? So first and most simple and most quick thing is morning healthy habits. Many people have shared their morning routines with me, like how they get up in the morning. When they get up in the morning, they go for smoking so that their stools will come proper. Many people start their day with caffeine, coffee or tea so that the rhythm of your stomach will become better and proper stools will come out. Some people get up in the morning and immediately start doing breakfast either with eggs or some kind of oats, even without brushing teeth sometimes. So various people have various kind of habits in the morning. Some people even can't get out of the bed without bed tea or bed coffee. So different people have different habits, but as you know, Ayurveda has recommended certain things so that our rhythms will remain healthy and we will stay in tune with nature. So what is this most healthiest habit? This is I'm going to tell in this video. So first and foremost thing that you need to do when you get up from the bed, that is drink 2 glasses of water. How to drink these 2 glasses of water? Either you sit on the chair or sit in squatting posture and drink 2 glasses of water so that your peristaltic rhythm will work proper. If you have acidity problem, like many people these days, because they are going through a lot of stress because of this pandemic or certain family situations or relationship situations or some kind of issues in their life, because many people are going through various kind of problems, and this is creating a lot of stress on the system, and that is leading to acidity. So if you have acidity, then in the morning take normal water, just little bit lukewarm, even less than lukewarm, little more than room temperature. This kind of water you should take 2 glasses and sit in a squatting posture and drink these 2 glasses of water. This will help to initiate the peristaltic movement and to remove all the toxins that get deposited in our system because of healing in sleep. What is the benefit of drinking these 2 glasses of water is it will remove all the toxins from your system, and when, as you know, sunrise, our digestive fire also rises according to Ayurveda. And if there are toxins in the system, if we do not remove these toxins that get deposited in our body from night or past day food, whatever we have eaten, and for some reason if we have not eaten very healthy food, there will be more toxins because food will be more undigested. And if we do not remove this undigested food, as sun rises, as fire rises, this undigested food and these toxins started getting absorbed by the system, because whether your stomach is empty or it has food or it has fecus, it's our mechanism of the body, like when sun will rise, digestive fire will rise and absorption will start in the morning. So it is very, very important that your stomach should be empty, free from toxins in the morning. That's why it is very important that you have 2 glasses of water. So what kind of water you can have? You can have this water that has been kept overnight either in a copper pot, that will be extremely beneficial to enhance your immunity, or you can have this water from a silver pot which also has been kept overnight and in the morning you drink, or you can use water from a mud pot. So these are the 3 pots that you can use to make your immunity better, and it's a very simple use, and you will see the change when you start doing for a week, and you will see how energized you will feel after drinking water in this way. In addition to that, if you have sinusitis, if you have mucus problems, if you have arthritis, if you have any kind of inflammation in joint, if you have digestion problems, or if you have fat, obesity, if these kind of problems you have, you can also add aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very common plant that has been used in Ayurveda for ages. You can use this aloe vera juice and or aloe vera plant. You remove the outer peel and take the inner pulp of this aloe vera, put in a glass of water and drink it. 1 spoon is enough for 1 glass of water. This will help you to remove all the acidity problems, and it will make your intestines extremely healthy. Regarding this aloe vera, I already have created video. You go through my channel and you can see aloe vera video and how to use, what to use, what are the benefits. A lot of things I have explained about this aloe vera, and you can make use of it. So these are the 2 simple things that you can do, and it will be of immense benefit. In addition to that, if you want to focus more on your immunity, you can have the powder of Indian gooseberry, that is also called Triphala, and it is very common mixture of 3 herbs, and it is extremely beneficial to enhance your immunity. This will help you to make your hair better, this will help you to make your skin good, this will help you to make your digestive fire better. So all the immunity benefits are there in this triphala. How to eat it? You just take 1 spoon of it, mix it in lukewarm water and just drink it. So that is how you can consume it. It's a very common herb of Ayurveda, and it is extremely good, and it is extremely good immunity enhancer. After drinking this, go for defecation, sit for 10 to 20 minutes, and eventually your body will learn how to go for defecation in the morning. After that, take shower and give some time to some breathing exercises, yoga and pranayama. And if you do exercise, if you want to do exercise, please try to do exercise after drinking this water. Go for exercise. After that, half an hour wait, take shower with warm water. After that, sit for yoga or meditation. And this is how you will start your morning routine. After that, have a big bowl of fruits and then anything cooked. So these are the very simple things that you need to do. It will not take much effort of your, it is not like big kind of change I am telling you. These are very small habits that you can adopt and change your life, make your immunity better. Even if you are starting your day with tea, coffee, just for 5 days, just give it a try and see the kind of energy levels, the kind of spirit, the kind of happiness you will feel from within. And throughout your day, you will have enough energy to do all your work. Try to have your dinners early to make the rhythm of the body better, and try to sleep as early as possible. By 10 or 10:30 you should go to sleep. And in the morning, try to get up by 6, 7, you try to get up so that you can breathe fresh air, and your organs and you will stay in tune with the rhythm of nature. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. And if you are watching me for the first time, this is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor, and if you have not subscribed me yet, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, you can hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.